As you can see, removed security door and entryway door. Also, the frame from water damage had to be removed. This is our concern here. We got a bow to the cement column. Okay, back online. You can see we started building our frame. 2 guys. Removed all the damaged brick. You can see, put insulation behind it. Now I'll get plated over. Okay, now you can see we played it with 2 buys. So first we have 2 buys Tapcon right into the brick with insulation in between, and then plated again with 2 buys for a solid frame. Okay, as you can see here, got the entryway door up and swinging. We'll be capping all this wood. Build in a frame for the security door. Okay, back online. Let's see, we put up the capping. And we'll be hanging the security door. All be caulked. Okay, all finished up here. Security and entryway door hung, both locking nice. All caulked and capped, cleaned up. Show you the inside. It's all capped and caulked, sealed.
They're different now. They make them different. They used to be.
Keep weathering away.
You know what I mean? Now it's different now. Cool.
And then also,
Probably gonna get much you can't see.
show you the molding all around the door. It's all caulked and sealed.